Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been working with regular IR verbs in the present tense. In this lesson we are going to work with one very common IR verb in the present tense in Spanish, which is the verb asistir. Asistir means to attend, as in to attend an event. So let's go ahead and look at the examples of asistir. It's a regular IR verb. Remember, if you know the regular IR verb endings, you can easily conjugate this verb. So let's do that. Remember to remove the IR and you're left with the root. So all you do is add the yo ending to the root, which in this case is o. Yo asisto. I attend. I do attend. I am attending. You attend. Tú asistes. You attend with usted. Usted asiste. He attends. Él asiste. She attends. Ella asiste. We attend. Nosotros asistimos. You attend. Vosotros or vosotras asistís. You attend. Ustedes asisten. They attend. Ellos or ellas asisten. So the six forms are in the present tense are asisto, asistes, asiste, asistimos, asistís, asisten. Two very important expressions with asistir are asistir a clase, which means to attend class, asistir a un concierto, to attend a concert. So if you want to say, I attend a class, it would be asisto a una clase. I attend a concert, asisto a un concierto. You attend a class, usted asiste a una clase. You attend a concert. Usted asiste a un concierto. Alright, that's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning Spanish and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. Hasta pronto.